Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about executing Raspbian OS in Docker container. To run Raspbian OS with the Docker container, we need Docker desktop application, and I'm going to use PowerShell to execute Docker commands. Let's start. To get Docker image, we can use Docker Hub repository. So from Docker Hub website, we can pull images. So there are lots of Raspbian related OS images are available. Here I'm going to use Raspbian desktop image. To pull Docker image, we can use Docker pull command. Just copy paste this command. So now we can paste it to PowerShell. So it will pull the image from Docker Hub repository. In my system, already the image is available. So it will display like already exist. So then what we are going to do is, now the image is available in our local system. Then we are going to create our own image to keep executing our program into Docker container. So just I'm going to create Docker file and then symbols Python program to keep executing Raspbian OS. So now in this sample one, there are the two files available. One is Docker file, another one is my app Python program file. The my app.py file is very simple. So just keep I'm keeping a while loop, so it will execute forever. And then Docker file. This also very simple. In this Docker file, in first line, I'm mentioning from where I'm going to take that image. So from Raspbian/desktop latest. So it will pull latest image from Docker Hub. And then I'm keeping that working directory. So here the working directory is /code. So then I'm going to copy my basic simple Python program to working directory. So it will copy to that code directory. Then I'm going to execute Python command. It will execute Python command with that my app.py program. Now we are going to create a Docker image. To create Docker image, we can use Docker build command. Docker build. So here we can see the Docker build command with the tag name my Raspbian. Before building that, we need to just copy paste the path. So just execute copy actual working path. Just I'm changing the directory. Now we can use Docker build command. So now the new Python program will be copied to Docker image, and then it will be created as separate image. Now the new image is created with the name of my Raspbian 0.1. So simple, the versioning I kept. Next, we are going to execute the Docker container. Just I'm clearing the PowerShell. To run Docker container, we need to use Docker run command. So in this Docker run, we can create that image with a particular name. So let's see the name. Here I'm going to keep as rasp1, and then I'm going to use that port number 8002, and then it's going to be executed in detach mode. And then I already created my local network one, that is with the network input, then image name. So now the image is available. We can see the Docker container. So the new Docker container created for new image. Now we can execute this Docker container with the command docker exe. So now, yeah, now execute Docker container by using the docker exe command. So let's execute command docker exe with interaction mode, and then with username root, the container name rasp, and executing with bash command. So now you can see, now we are in that code directory. We can execute any program whatever we want. So let's try with simple Python. So now we can execute our Python commands. Now we are using Raspbian OS. This is simple example to get Raspbian OS to our Docker container, and then executing with different programs. Thank you.